Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to unlink your PC from Microsoft OneDrive Backup without any stress. So let's see. So it's to simply come down below right here where you have your OneDrive personal or OneDrive business account. So simply click on it and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings right here, and you have different information right here. Simply click on settings, and then this is going to pump up right here. The next thing you want to do is to simply go to account right here, click on account, and it take you right here. Now you have your Microsoft Outlook account that is already linked into the PC. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on unlink this PC and unlink your account, unlink account on this PC. Your OneDrive file will stop synchronized. Local available files will remain on this PC, while online only file will be removed. Then what you need to do is to simply click on unlink account, and with that you have successfully unlinked your Microsoft account with your Windows PC, and it's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.